A reading from the book of Jeremiah. Soon after Jehoiakim, son of Hosea, became king of Judah, the Lord said to me, "Stand in the court of the temple and proclaim all that I have commanded you to say to the people who come from the towns of Judah to worship there. Do not leave out anything. Perhaps the people will listen and give up their evil ways. If they do, then I will change my mind about the destruction I plan to bring on them for their wicked deeds." The Lord told me to say to the people, "I, the Lord, have said that you must obey me by following the teaching I gave you, and by paying attention to the words of my servants, the prophets, whom I have kept on sending to you. You have never obeyed what they said. If you continue to disobey, then I will do this to the temple what I did to Shiloh, and all the nations of the world will use the name of this city as a curse." The priests, the prophets, and all the people heard me saying these things in the temple. And as soon as I had finished all that the Lord had commanded me to speak, they seized me and shouted, "You ought to be killed for this. Why have you said in the Lord's name that this temple will become like Shiloh, and that this city will be destroyed, and no one will live in it?" And the people all crowded in on Jeremiah in the temple of Yahweh. The word of the Lord. Thanks be to God. A reading from the Gospel according to Matthew. Jesus went back to his hometown. He taught in the synagogue, and those who heard him were amazed. "Where did he get such wisdom?" they asked. "And what about his miracles? Isn't he the carpenter's son? Isn't Mary his mother, and Aunt James, Joseph, Simon, and Judas his brothers? Aren't all his sisters living here? Where did he get all this?" And so they rejected him. Jesus said to them, "A prophet is respected everywhere, except in his hometown and by his own family." Because they did not have faith, he did not perform many miracles there. The Gospel of the Lord. Praise be to you, O Lord Jesus Christ.